button. You're supposed to hit.
Oh!
We'll be doing flying airplanes. First, you see this plane. See how we do it. See, there's no breeze out here right now. So we take this plane. We're gonna run. Yep, and then we're gonna fly it. Oh, shoot. Where did it even go? Oh, there it is. Well, Zachary is gonna demonstration. Okay. Oh, okay. Wait, don't pick it up. Okay. And his channel is Zachary Rouse. Like and subscribe at his channel.
Hey, Sierra, look at me. Airplane attack!
Ah!
Oh. Hey, will you do a Plants vs. Zombies video?
We will try to.
Next. Hey, wind spot. Airstrike. They don't do well unless there's wind.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Go.
Oh. That's not very good.
Mine landed farther.
Wait, let's see that. Yeah.
I actually ran farther.
And you can see over there, I think there might be a dogwood tree. And if I'm not correct,
Please leave it in the comments
below.
I don't know what will be in the description.
Just
Join, like you said or something.
Also, join the Fun Time Bunny
Airplane
this Saturday. Join the Fun Time Bunny party this Saturday, which will be on video. In case you don't come. Actually, you won't be coming because it's just going to be a party on a video. Sorry, guys.
True.
Because I have no friends on here. I'm sorry, but I only have 2 subscribers. Please give me more subscribers.
You don't ask for subscribers.
I want some subscribers.
You're not supposed to ask. Oh, like goal.
What?
Like goal.
What's that?
Basically, where you try and see how many likes there is.
I want to get the diamond play button.
I think we all do. Should I go start a video on my channel?
Also go watch my favorite channels, Glove Juice, DanTDM, and also Exploding TNT, and also Magnum Museum. Magnum Museum is if you're a Minecraft fan, you'll like him because he plays Minecraft, and he does like how to make videos. And that's a popular in the nose. Okay.
And Zach Scott Game.
Oh yeah, Zach Scott Game. If you're
he does a ton of stuff.
Yeah, he does a ton of
Well,
stuff.
I mostly watch the Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare.
Okay, that's hyper.
Sorry, all headphone users.
It's only been 4 minutes already. Whoa. Time goes by fast. I'm gonna hit into this tree.
Let's go for like goal. I'm gonna go for. Do you think we should go for 3 likes?
Why is what?
Should we go for 3 likes?
Can we hit 4 likes?
Damn on it.
But if you guys want me to have more likes, well, you can just do it.
Yeah.
I also my friend. I don't want to say his name. So.
Is it me?
No. It's not Zachary Rouse.
Woohoo!
It's my friend. He is
A YouTuber?
he's not a YouTuber.
Oh.
And well, I'm just saying.
What are we doing this vlog? Actually?
I don't know. We're just vlogging. Flowers, pretty flowers.
Dun 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 dun.
And also, and also when I get my phone, I'm gonna be some gaming. And my phone actually, guys, I have something sad to tell you all, but I lost both of my two phones. Okay, I'm joking. But anyway, I'm still sad. I'm still sad. Well, that's it for this video. Hope you like the next.
Hey, time out. I'm gonna try and do Final Night 3.
Okay, here's a computer, and he's just dancing and sticking his tongue out. Well, I'm gonna go. See you guys in the next video. Subscribe and
Like.
and join the Funtime Bunny
Don't forget to
video. And also, don't forget to join the Funtime video party. What?